This is forexoverviews.com with the analysis of the monthly time frame of AUD dollar. This is the monthly chart of AUD dollar, and here we can see that the market has made this pattern, which is the butterfly buy, and right now the market reached the 127 extension of this butterfly. And take a look that the nature of this move, that market reaches this extension of the butterfly, is a very fast move, such sort of down thrust, some rapid movement, and this may suggest that the market will make some shallow bows from here and then can proceed downward to the 1618 extension. This is not a rule, but in many cases when the market really makes this fast move reaching the 127 extension, it suggests that it will have the power to reach the 1618 extension. So maybe the market can make a retracement up until the 50% Fibonacci resistance of this whole down thrust, and maybe it will proceed lower to the 1618. And we can see on the next chart that this level at what market reached, the 127 extension, is a strong area of support. We can see here that this is an agreement, and this is the completion point of this ABCD, and near to the completion point of this other ABCD here, right at the zone of Fibonacci support, and in this case the confluence support zone, the confluence of Fibonacci supports, confluence of the 38 and the 618 Fibonacci from these points. And we can see that market just made this agreement, the completion point of ABCDs. By the way, this ABCD in blue one has the 127 extension at this point, this completion point, and this one in dotted red has the 100%. They also are ending in the same zone of the confluence support of Fibonacci. So this is an agreement right at the completion point of the 127 butterfly buy. So it suggests that some upward bounce may come. We don't really know up until where this bounce will be. For this we will need the existence of the weekly time frame. You can watch the video of the analysis of the weekly time frame on the website. Also take a look that the same area is also the 100 period moving average, so this is also a nice support. And one more thing that suggests the reaching of the 1618 extension of this butterfly is the fact that the market also breaks below the symmetrical triangle, and the target of the breakout of this triangle will be around this zone here, which is very near of the zone of the 1618 butterfly extension. So if the market will really reach this target of the breakout, which is the length of the base of the triangle plotted in the point of the breakout, it suggests also reaching a lower point that is near to the 1618 extension. Maybe you can think that it's not as near because it would be 300 pips, as you can see here, but in the scope of the monthly time frame, 300 pips is just like very little. The market could reach it in just a single spike in a single bar. Take a look at also the target of the breakout, and the 1618 extension of the butterfly stands near to this bottom, so this will add support to the zone if the market will really reach these zones. Now on the next chart we can note that the market is in fact in an uptrend, and this seems to be trending inside this upward channel, so the market still has many room to proceed lower, alright, in the zone of these buttons, and continuing the down move that has started when the market tested the upper border of this channel. Also, we can see that this bounce may be stopped by this classical technical analysis support and resistance, which is the zone between the 0.94 and the 0.96. So this will be a nice area for the movement to stop because of this classical resistance and due to these zones of Fibonacci resistance also. On the pivot points framework, we can see, and this is the yearly pivot points on the monthly chart, we can see that market break below the yearly pivot support one, confirming the bear sentiment for this year. So market is right now testing the yearly support 2, yearly pivot support 2, which is also a nice support, suggesting the bounce, adding support to all of the structures that are in the zone. And as a conclusion for the monthly time frame of Aussie dollar, we can say that market tested this strong support zone, alright, and that now some bounce may come, and we don't know how deep this bounce will be. For this we need the existence of the weekly and of the daily time frame, and this may be even the reversal from the zone, because the butterfly, the 127 extension, is a structure of reversal. So we don't know if this bounce will stop on the zone or something like here, or if it will proceed to the downside. But main direction for the next days and next weeks will probably be to the upside. That's it. Thanks for watching.